morning. Welcome back in our ENV class. This is me, Vanna Ajudia. Today I have come with new topic. So let's start.
Parts and body. Before starting our session, I will tell you the main points of the chapter. Today I will learn about bones and skeleton, muscles, posture means how to maintain our posture, daily exercise and proper food for our healthy bones and muscles. Okay, now you all knowing about body parts, right? Because you learn this in your first standard. So we have to label the part to this boy. You can see this picture. We have to give name of his part. So first is, which part is head? H-E-A-D, head. And this one, nose. You have to speak with me. This one, mouth. This one, hand. And this, leg. Ear. Eyes. In the last 2 seconds, which one is fingers and TOES, toys. And the last one is toes. My dear student, see the both picture and tell me which one is hard and which one is soft. Means first picture is wood and in the second picture sweet dish. Wood is soft या hard? Wood is hard to touch. And this sweet dish hard या soft? Yes, it is soft. So wood is hard to touch and this sweet dish is soft to touch. This way our bones are hard and our muscles are soft to touch. My dear student, our body made up of bones and muscles. Do just one thing. Press your upper arm portion. It is hard to touch, so it is bones. And portion soft to touch, it is muscle. Try it. Okay, now our bones is hard to touch and our muscle is soft to touch. Okay, now our next topic is bones, means B-O-N-E-S, bones. There are 206 bones in our body. How many bones in our body? 206 bones. The hardest part of the body is the bones. Student, all human beings having the same type of structure. This same type of structures all human beings having. 206 bones made together, they form a framework called skeleton. And these bones have a hard outer layer. It is made up of calcium. Our bones is very hard. A baby has about 300 bones. How many bones a baby have? 300 bones. But an adult has 206 bones. This difference just because some smaller bones make together a big bone and grow up. You can see in this picture a baby has 300 bones and an adult has 206 bones. Means baby has more bones. Our bones join together. Means our next topic is joints. All bones are connected with each other. The place where bones connected is known as joints. You can see in this, two or more bones get joined, and there is also get joined. So two or more bones get joined, it is called joints. We can bend our body the help of their bones and joints. Without these joints, we cannot bend our body. I will show you all the joints. Now first is leg, leg joint. You can see in this picture, these both are leg joint. First is leg joint and second is knee joint. With the help of these both joints, we can run, we can stand and we can walk. Next is shoulder joint. See in the picture, this is shoulder joint. With the help of this shoulder joint, we can move our hand. Third one is elbow joint. You can see in this picture, where is elbow joint? Here is elbow joint. The next, wrist joint. This is wrist joint. This help of this joint, we can move our hand. I will show you all the joint in this picture. Now first is shoulder joint. Second one is elbow joint. Third is wrist joint. The next, leg joint. And last one is knee joint. Okay, now you all know about this all joint, right? Our next topic is muscles. Muscle is the soft bone part below the skin. There are about 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there in our body? 600. Remember that. Muscles cover our bones and help them to move. What muscle do? Muscle do means muscle cover our bones. Bones and muscles work together to make us walk, run, bend, etc. Okay, now muscles have three types. First is eye muscle. You can see in this picture. Second is heart muscle. You can see in this picture. Third one is stomach muscles. With the help of eye muscle, see all sides by moving the eyeball. Means eye muscle help us to see on all sides by moving the eyeball. Without these muscles, how can your eyeball will move? Second is heart muscles. Heart muscles help the heart to beat. They work continuously till we are alive. Stomach muscles. Stomach muscles help to push the food into other parts for digestion, breaking down food into the smaller part. Next is, see in this picture, first is swimming, playing game, some children, then walking, running, sitting. We all this activity do with the strong bones and muscles only. If we want to play and walk well, we must have strong muscles. The more we use our muscles, the stronger they become. If we do not use our muscles, we will become fat and until. Now next is exercise. For the healthy bones and healthy muscles, we have to do exercise. Healthy food and regular exercise make our muscles strong. Food such as milk, eggs, sprout, etc. helps in building healthy muscles. Running, skipping, brace, walking, swimming, cycling and skating are some forms of exercise we can do for our healthy bones and healthy muscles. Students, posture is body position we have when we sit, stand or walk. You can see in this picture, see this first is correct and second is incorrect. Means how to we have to stand straight, like this, not this. In second picture, how to sit straight. In second picture, do not sit like this. In the third picture, how we have to read the book. See, this way. This is wrong way. How to sleep straight, not like this way. Okay, we must always have upright and straight posture, because a good posture keep body parts good. This picture shows as correct body position. We have to maintain standing, sitting and moving. Correct posture keep body in good shape and keep our bones and muscles very strong. Okay kids, now time to say bye bye. I hope you all understood this chapter. We will meet again in our next chapter. So stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.